Hello, my lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today we are going to make a spray. So this order came from Telefloral, and it's one of their really, I normally always get a lot of these orders. I really wish I could make them how sturdy they are in downtown LA, because oh my gosh, they're so sturdy. I think I'm gonna make the boards and stuff later on this year, but we're just gonna work with this osmosis cage that I got. And we also start with these baby blue eucalyptus, or some of them I seen somewhere where they were called spiral, but I know them as baby blue eucalyptus. And so this is going to be this is what I'm going to use as my shape to shape my arrangement. And I just start from the top, and I was kind of glad that these were kind of straight, because a lot of times, I don't know if you guys ever notice, sometimes they're like they have like a lot of little things coming off of them, a lot of little branches coming off of them, but this came out pretty well. So let me finish this. I'm gonna speed it up, and then we're going to continue from there. So I think I told you guys how a lot of these orders are filled with just greenery. So that's my goal now. I'm going to use lemon leaf or salvia, and we're going to fill in the outside area, fill it in. So we're going to start flat on the out, and then kind of lift it till we come to the middle. So let's get that started with the lemon leaf. Now I feel like we have enough of this. I'm going to go in with some leather fern, and I'm just going to fill in the spots. I like this because I feel like it gives it more texture to the look. I don't know if this recipe calls for it, but I use it in almost all of my funeral arrangements. So let's add in some leather leaf fern. Add in a few more, kind of spread it out. And now it's time for our white carnations. Now, I put in, I don't know how many. I just continue to put carnations in until I feel like it's giving what it needs to give. You know what I mean? So I first start with a carnation going from the top, and then I kind of work with the shape, build out my shape, and then work all the way to the middle. So let's get that done. Now it's time for roses, and I got white Tibet. I don't really care for those. My favorite is Casablancas, because oh my gosh, they have so many petals and bloom so well. But they had these in 40 centimeters, so I worked with what I got. I was being bad. I didn't take off the what is it called, the bump petal, or that little petal that's there at the beginning of the before the rose bloom. And I noticed that when I started getting farther in, that I need to take those off. But don't forget to peel those and twirl or blow to bloom. And then I take a little bit of the greens off Not a lot, because I like it to, it kind of gives it a little bit more green inside of the arrangement. So let's get this done. Now it's time for my lilies. These have been in my floral refrigerator for some days now, and I can't understand why they wouldn't bloom. I was over in the corner trying to open them up, and I hate doing that. And I kind of messed up the ones that I was over here trying to bloom, but let's put in these lilies. So while I'm over here trying to bloom these lilies, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really need everybody who watches either one video of me to subscribe, because I noticed that I have like some videos I got 50K views and I only have 5,000 subscribers. It doesn't make any sense. So anyway, that helps me out a lot. Don't forget to, like I said, like and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully you guys enjoy and this help you out. I'll show you the delivered, because you guys know after I finished watching this, I added some more stuff to it, to the delivery to the funeral home. But enjoy and bye.